Hello friends, hope everything is fine with you guys. In this lecture we are going to take a look at another tool, and that is this perspective grid tool. And if you take a look, its keyboard shortcut is Shift P. So first of all, let's click on it to select it. And let's explore it. So what is this? When you have selected this perspective grid tool in your document, you will see this kind of stuff. What are these? There are many lines, some planes are there. Not aeroplanes, but these planes, you know. So, what is this? Let's try to draw something here. So, let's select the rectangle tool and let's draw a rectangle. Okay, and now let's provide a fill color. Let's say this one, or say total black. Okay, let's draw another, say, window. Okay, so yeah, it's another window. Let's draw a door. A door below a window. Okay, so it seems like that we can design a house using this perspective grid tool, isn't it? And another thing is that when you are drawing something, it's matching with this grid. So what is this perspective grid tool? It is a grid which helps you to design something based on this perspective grid. Even you can edit this perspective grid, but we will not focus on it now. In this lecture only we will take a look, but just a bit later. So for now, let's understand that how we can work with it. As we have seen that we have drawn a door, a big window and a small window, right? Now let's try to draw something here on this perspective grid. Now if you take a look at this grid, broadly it is divided into three parts. The left part, this is the left part, the right part, and the bottom part. Okay, this is the bottom part, or the ground part, you can say. If you want to design some floor, you need to draw at the bottom. But how you can draw? Let's say here we have drawn some doors and windows, right? Now let's try to draw a window here on the right side. So our rectangle tool is already selected, and let's try to draw one. But see, you may have thought that this window will be drawn like this, right? But it's drawn as if we are drawing on this left plane, right? Or this left side. So how we can draw on this right plane or this right side? See here, let's come here. Here you can see a cube, you can say, where you can see it is having three sides. Now as I have already told you that this perspective grid, broadly it is divided into three parts: the left part, the right part, and the bottom part. See, here the blue one is selected. If you hover over it, see, it's showing that it's left grid. Let's try to select this right grid. This is the one. And see, now this plane is selected. Now let's try to draw a window here. Let's draw another window here, and see, now it is matching the right side grid, isn't it? Let's delete this one. Okay. So how you can draw on the floor? Yup, you need to come here and you need to select. Oops, let's select the perspective grid tool, and now you need to select this horizontal grid. See, this is the left grid, the right grid, and the horizontal grid. Now let's try to draw one rectangle here, and see, now it's matching the floor fashion. See? So using this, you can draw, you can design some interior. You can draw a house also using this perspective grid tool. You can draw a ceiling, see? I mean, you can decorate some ceilings. Okay, so I think you have got the idea, right? That how we can draw on each side of this perspective grid. Now, as I have told you that we can modify this grid. Let's take a look. Let's select this perspective grid tool. When you have selected this perspective grid tool, at the bottom you will see three handles. The bottom one, this middle one, it will control the bottom part or the floor. See? This one, this handle, it will control the left side. See? Then we have this one. It will control the right side. And see? So, let's create a new document. Now, let's select the perspective grid tool. Now let's draw something. And currently, which plane is selected? The left grid, right? So let's draw a window here. Let's make its fill color black. Let's draw a door here. And let's draw another window here. Just like this. And now let's draw something here. So for that we need to select the right grid. And let's draw a window here, another window here, and say another window here, and a door. That's it. And now let's select the horizontal plane and let's draw one. Okay, just like this. So now you got the idea, right? That how we can draw using this perspective grid tool. Okay, so that's it. Just grab the concepts. That's it. So in this lecture, we have seen how we can use this perspective grid tool and how we can draw using this perspective grid tool. And here only we have another tool, that is perspective selection tool. What it does is it selects your object that you have drawn inside this perspective grid, and then you can edit those. I mean, then you can move those. So that's it. And see? So just try to play with this. This is really very fun to work with. Okay, so that's it. Here I'm concluding this lecture. See you in the next lecture where we will take a look how we can use the type tool. So see you in the next lecture. Till then, have fun. Take care.